Okay, so I just finished preparing Celltral Valley, like literally just 2 days before, like 2 days ago, as of the time of recording this audio. It's currently May 21st, 2023. Yeah, so I was at first visiting Fresno County for some stuff, and then, of course, was getting to XLE9 and KI62, and it's just some minor stuff there that I was able to record, but yeah. Then when I got home, also it's night, sorry for saying so quiet here, but then when I got home, HNX decided to be a fucking clown and do some shit, so yeah, enjoy this compilation. Pretty much the junior version of Celltral Valley. If irony were the BS finds it, yeah, this is irony, so.
North Side Drive and South Side Drive, which are the main roads in Yosemite Valley, become flooded and are closed to traffic. Additional details. At 9 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time Saturday, the stage was 10.9 feet. Recent activity. The maximum river stage in the 24 hours ending at 9 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time Saturday was 11.3 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to rise to a crest at 12.4 feet late tonight. Flood stage is 10.0 feet. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest at 12.5 feet on May 16, 2005. http://www.weather.gov/safety/. Flood. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Caution is urged when walking near riverbanks. Additional information is available at www.weather.gov. The next statement will be issued Sunday morning at 10 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Flood advisory has been issued until 10 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time Monday for the following counties in California.
Thanks.
The following is a special weather for the following areas in California: Kaiser to Rogers and Upper San Joaquin River. Issued at 2:18 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. A strong thunderstorm will impact portions of northeastern Fresno County through 3 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 2:17 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm 20 miles west of North Lake Campground, or 23 miles west of the Spindle. This storm was nearly stationary. Hazard: winds in excess of 30 miles per hour and pea-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: gusty winds could knock down trillions and blow around unsecured objects. Minor damage to outdoor objects is possible. Locations impacted include Upper Burnt Corral, High Sierra, and Florence Lake. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with this storm and may lead to localized flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Now for the official National Weather Service. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
So HNX has the audacity to do this shit. Whenever I leave an area that I could get WXLE9, that is fucked up. Great job, HNX. God damn it. Fresno flash with warning. This won't work out.
Ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorm. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Monarch Ranger Station, Cedar Grove, Moraines Campground, Canyon View Campground, Sentinel Campground, and Sheep Creek Campground. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Flooding is occurring or is imminent. It is important to know where you are relative to streams, rivers, or creeks, which can become killers in heavy rain. Campers and hikers should avoid streams or creeks. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following county: Fresno, California.
The language with babble doesn't take long.
Fresno flash with warning.
Has issued a flash flood warning for eastern Fresno County in central California until 6:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 4:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorm. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Monarch Ranger Station, Cedar Grove, Moraines Campground, Canyon View Campground, Sentinel Campground, and Sheep Creek Campground. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Flooding is occurring or is imminent. It is important to know where you are relative to streams, rivers, or creeks, which can become killers in heavy rain. Campers and hikers should avoid streams or creeks. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following county: Fresno, California.
Well, after 2 years, yeah, finally made it to the one and only. Hold on. I'm just gonna play a clip because this is basically the next day, and I was, of course, knowing that this was gonna be imminent today, like on this day, like me getting EAS 1000. So, yeah, here we finally go.
It is important to know where you are relative to streams, rivers, or creeks, which can become killers in heavy rains. Campers and hikers should avoid streams or creeks. Please report observed flooding to local emergency
EAS 1000.
New York City continues to deal with a
1001.
The National Weather Service in Hanford has issued a flash flood warning for East Central Madera County in Central California until 5 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 3:58 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Clover Meadow Wilderness Altars. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Flooding is occurring or is imminent. It is important to know where you are relative to streams, rivers, or creeks, which can become killers in heavy rain. Campers and hikers should avoid streams or creeks. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following county: Madera, California.
That was EAS 1001.
I have hot dog hands, and H&X wants to pull shit. Is this my son? I refuse K&J. I'm done.
The National Weather Service in Hanford has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Kern County in Central California until 7:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 6:48 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include China Lake Acres. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following county: Kern, California. Emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following county: Kern, California.
$11.80 fast. $8.15. Alright. Had to get out of what I was doing as fast as possible just to get this.